perfection. That's what we're looking for in crystal, is perfect. And when it's not perfect, apparently, they cut it like that, and they put cuts in it to distract your eye from things that aren't perfect. So if your arms aren't perfectly cut, you know, the way you would like want them to be, try armbands. I love them. I almost always wear armbands when I'm dancing, unless I'm dancing with sleeves. And so I've been wearing like the same ones for the last 10 years in a gold or a silver. Sometimes I'll do sequin ones. So I just thought for funsies, I'll just go on Amazon and see what they have. So I found these two, which I think are actually designed, one of them I think is actually designed for like girls to wear to proms, because they didn't actually say belly dancing, but that's okay. So let's see what came in the box here. Careful with the knife. All right, so very nice, packed with doohickeys. Oh my gosh, how adorable. Look at this. It's like, I mean, literally packed as if these are going to be like Valentine's Day presents or something. Just for you, my endless wait, desiring the door of your heart would open. Being with you makes me feel so happy and sweet. Kind of sort of different from the belly dance thing, but really fun. Cute little box. Let's see what's in here. Ooh, adorable. I can use the box for other stuff. So, oh wow. Nicely wrapped in a Ziploc bag. And, oh, ooh, pretty fun. And it looks like it wouldn't tarnish. Kind of thin, and it does look a little bit big for me. Let's try. Definitely big. Now, if you have large arms or you're super cut, that could be a good thing. I don't know if this is going to work, but let's see. But boy, they do look really super cool. Still kind of big. I don't know. Well, if you have large arms, these look like they would be fantastic. All right, let's see what else that we have here. Oh, this one also. Fashion Flower Metal Curve Arm Cuff Amulet Silver. And again, nicely packaged in a Ziploc bag. Oh, adorable. Again, packaged for gifting, maybe Valentine's Day. Inside, beautifully ochoko. Oh, and how sweet. You get these like little prayer beads with it. And here's, oh, this looks neat. Again, very beautifully wrapped. Let's see. Oh, okay. Very nicely wrapped. Again, thin metal like the others. Let's see, they look like they're, yep, smaller. Looks like, okay, like this is going to be a little smaller. So these definitely look good for large arms. Hey, kind of fun, kind of contemporary, different. Let's see how that one works. Ah, ooh, much better. Ooh, watch that skin. Hey, that looks pretty good. Yeah, I like that. Let's see what they say here. Ochoko. After sale service. This is nice. It is our greatest wish to make you satisfied for products you choose. I'm reading exactly. Whatever the reason you are not satisfied is our regret. Please do not worry. You can always contact our customer service by email. We will do our best to resolve it for you. We sincerely hope that we can get your feedback for product quality and our service. Very lovely. And I personally, I love that kind of English that's not exactly perfect. It's been translated. It's amazing. I wish I could speak another language that well. Let's try the other one on because these are really cool. They fit beautifully. They feel great. Really fun. Not really Middle Eastern-y. Well, this could be very great for a more contemporary look. I don't know, maybe even tribal. And the other thing is, couldn't you, with hot glue, like glue on some jewels or do some streamers off of it or something fun like that? So the other one, oh, okay. More prayer beads. And let's try on the other side, and voila. Beautiful, huh? Hey, they look great. The Q&Q fashion in the cute little Just For You box. Again, we'll link those up also in the show notes. They look beautiful. It's a really pretty finish. Again, contemporary. Kind of looks like a Greek key. And if your arms, I'm pretty small, obviously, so if your arms are larger, I think these would probably be spectacular. I'm going to see if I can make them work by getting Mr. Muscles there to heat them up and bend them closer, bend them smaller. So again, linked up in the show notes, Amazon Prime, nifty way if you're not perfectly cut to hide any jiggle and fun stuff and dress it up. So we just finished a 2-hour belly dance workshop, and I wore the gold swirly armbands, and I wanted to give you a review after that. I was able to, my husband and I were able to bend them tighter to fit me, and you can see what that made it do was the swirls are not perfectly in line, but I think it looks kind of cool. Asymmetrical. This one you can see from the marks did actually slip down a tiny bit. I didn't actually notice it, but they felt great, they look great, so I would definitely give these a thumbs up. So, thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, smash the like button, leave us your comments and any things that you do for armbands or to hide your imperfections. 1, 2, 3,